This amazing platform is USDT staking platform. This is where you stake USDT and make massive income for yourself. I'll also be teaching you on how you can earn for yourself for free. I will be having a live withdrawal. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is where I give you free tips and amazing ways that you can earn and invest in crypto and bag a lot of money for yourself in 2025. So quickly, let's see what this platform is about. You can see the platform advantages. They have fees percentage, a liability percentage, and how to get started. All you just have to do is choose a plan that suits you, make a deposit, and you start receiving daily dividend from this platform. That is daily profit from this platform. So quickly, all you just have to do when you click on get started, it takes you to this interface. You need to register. You just register with your email, your login password, and you are good to go. And once you register, you are good to go in this platform. And this is the interface of this platform. So this is going to be a live withdrawal. So this is my dashboard in this platform. You can see my invest wallet is 20 USDT and my brokerage wallet is 1.67 USDT, and that is my daily profit in this platform. So quickly, we are going to have a live withdrawal. So once you click on withdrawal, this is the interface. I have to input my necessary details, and live withdrawal, we need to get my trust wallet address to be able to withdraw out from this platform. You can see I have 41 USDT in my trust wallet. So let's copy out my address and we are back to the platform to be able to withdraw. So I have input necessary details that I need, my withdrawal address, and click on confirm. You can see withdraw success. So let's get back my trust wallet to check if it has reflected in my trust wallet. You can see I now have 43 USDT, and you can see my 1.67 USDT. It has reflected. So quickly, let me show you how you can earn for yourself in this platform. So firstly, all you have to do is to top up to recharge. Once you click on recharge, it takes you to an interface where you can use any USDT of your choice to recharge in this platform, whether with your TRS, your BNB, your BEP20 USDT, and or your QR code. You can scan it and recharge in this platform to be able to start earning. So you can stake high in this platform. Remember, the higher you stake, the higher money you are making in this platform, the higher profit. So what you just have to do quickly is to input how much USDT you want to stake in this platform after you have recharged, and then input how many days that you wish to earn daily profit in this platform. You can see mine is 10 USDT and I have 30 days, and my payday is 16.70% percentage, and that is very fair. And in 24 hours I will be having 1.67 USDT, and in 30 days I'll be having 50 USDT. You just click on stake. Once you click on stake, you have subscribed to daily profit in this platform and daily USDT in this platform. So quickly, I'll be showing you on how you can earn free USDT in this platform for free without recharging any USDT. All you just have to do is click on reward center. Once you click on reward center, it takes you to an interface where you perform daily tasks in this platform for you to earn free USDT for yourself without any stress. And there is another bigger way you can earn in this platform too, referral program. Referral program is a bigger way that you earn free USDT for yourself and bag a lot of money. All you just have to do is acquire your referral link, distribute the link wherever you choose, reap the financial benefits, and that is your commissions that you'll be earning from your referral program. So this is where you copy your referral link, send it to your friends. Once they use your referral link and your referral code to register on this platform, you'll be earning free USDT. In level 1, you'll be having 12% once they recharge in this platform. Level 2, 3% in this platform, and level 3, 1% in this platform. And you'll be earning free USDT without stress in this platform. And remember, you can withdraw within 2 minutes. Your USDT can be withdrawn directly into your trust wallets in any USDT of your choice in this platform. I hope you find this video helpful. I hope you start earning for yourself very soon. Please subscribe to our channel so I'll be forced to notify once